Hey everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Awesome Grabify. You can grab some awesome content that is freely available on the internet. Today, we are going to see where can we find a site that provide free premium courses. Yes, you had heard it right. Free premium courses. Let's roll the intro. Just follow me, go to Google and type onlinecourses.club. The first site on the Google is onlinecourses.club. Let us scroll down to see what we have here. You can also join their Telegram channel. As you can see, there are many courses available to access for free. In tutorial category, we have Blender 101, CG Circuit, FX PhD, Gumroad, Lynda, Pluralsight, Skillshare, Udemy, VFX Pro. In application category we have Adobe, Autodesk, Blender, Houdini, Marmoset Toolbag, Unity, Unreal, Xnormal, ZBrush. They also have some topic category which has 3D drawing, 2D drawing, animation, game design, post-production, rendering, rigging, sculpting, textures. Let's dive into My Course category. There are a number of courses available just for you. You can master any course for free. Let me show you the course, How to Make Modular Building. You see, this is the description of the course. And down here there is watch online or download for free. When I click here, I can choose the part of the video to watch. By default, you have to wait for 60 seconds. You can also register for free. These are the steps to register your account. Click I agree, and then, I am not a robot, then register yourself. Click on Download or View tab and enjoy your free premium course. Down here we have the Download tab. You can download it if you ever need it. If you are someone who don't want to wait, you just have to upgrade to premium. As you can see, there are many courses available to access for free. If you need to search a topic, just type in the search tab, and you will find your premium course. If suppose for some reason you didn't find your course, don't worry. You can comment down as some people had done it and you can do it too. Just fill full description of the topic. Name and email ID. Don't worry, they won't publish your email ID. And click on submit your comments. If the admin is active, he will upload it as fast as he can. I know you are feeling happy now that you got the link. I hope today I had helped you to achieve a new thing. Go Grabify your favorite stuff on the free internet. If you like our content, feel free to give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notified as we upload great content on YouTube. This is Awesome Grabify. Thank you for watching the video, and stay blessed.